welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a crochet top haul, and I'm not going to be trying it on in this video. I'm just going to see how the video does first and see if you guys actually enjoy this, and then I'll do like a try on haul. And this video is going to be posted in two different parts because I have like a lot of crochet tops that I pre-made and I never sold because honestly I never promoted them correctly. So today I am promoting them correctly so you guys can see. And by the way, all of these, I think most of them are on my website, so y'all can definitely go check that out. It's going to be under products. Then when you get to the products page, just go to crochet tops or crochet items, whatever, and you guys will see these beautiful tops. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a little haul. I'm just going to be talking about them, and then on the side I'm going to have a little clip of each top, like a quick little professional type of video or something like that. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and before I even start, make sure you guys like this video, comment what your favorite top is once I show them, comment some other video ideas that y'all want to see so that I can do those videos, and make sure you guys subscribe and follow me on all my socials right here or right here, whichever side I end up putting them on. And yeah, anyways, enough talking, let's get right into this video. Okay, so I'm back and it's time to do the little haul. So I'm only gonna go through 12 of the tops today, and I'm gonna post the second half another day, so make sure you guys subscribe so you can see that video, and the clip of the actual top will be on the right of me or left of me. I can't really tell because I don't remember which side the video uploads in, but anyways, the first top is going to be this cute little crochet bikini top, and I do custom orders, you guys, so if you guys like this color or whatever, I definitely do different sizes, and this is probably like a size small, like an A cup or a really small B cup, and it's just a really cute little bikini top, like super cute. It's kind of small for me, but yeah, that's what this one looks like, and I just love how cute it is, and it's just so simple. And if I don't describe things correctly, sorry y'all, I'm just not the best at it. The next top is going to be this really cute cream white bralette top, and as you guys can see, the bottom of it is like ribbed. It's like ribbed, and it has like this cute design on it. And most of my tops are laced in the back just so you can adjust the sizing, and this is what the back looks like. And overall, it's just a really cute, unique looking top because of the ribbing effect at the bottom, and it's super soft. And the top area is probably like anybody who has a A to probably a D, depending on how you like to wear your tops. It could fit you depending on how much you want to show. It will definitely look great. But yeah, make sure you guys check it out on my website. Next top is this cute little tube top type of thing, or bandeau, more like a tube top, and it's two different colors, two-toned. Has this black at the top and then white, and it's also like lined with black. And then the back, oh actually the front has this like lacing design in the front, and then it's also laced up in the back as always with the little tie hanging. And I love this color choice. It looks super, it just looks real pretty. Like you can go out on a night with this, go out at night with this on, and the color choice is like really fitting for the nighttime, So yeah, that's number 3. This next one is really, I don't really know how I feel about it. Like, I like the color choice, but I don't know if I like it, like how I place the colors. So as you guys can see, it's like this wine colored red. I don't know how it shows on camera, but then it has this like colored yarn right here. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it, like oats or something. Like, it's like a really cute color, and I just love this yarn like a lot. And the only thing I would have probably changed is I would have added more of the oat color in the bra area, like the cup area, just to like mix it a little bit more. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And then this is what the back looks like. It's also laced. And yeah, overall it's a pretty cute top, but I probably would have added more of the oat color right here. So yeah, that's this fourth top. The next one is also another bikini top, and this is what it looks like. It has, or it's black, and it has the most simplest design. It's just like the first one, the gray one, but the difference is it's not really a cup shape. It's more of like a triangle, flat shape, flat triangle shape, and it's not cupped like the gray one. So that's what the black one looks like. Pretty simple, ties around the neck, and then ties around your back. This next top is a halter top. The straps and the lace that goes on the back is connected. Let me show you guys what I mean. So the strap right here is also connected to the lace. Instead of it being tied around your neck, it just connects right into it. And before I actually sell this, I might shorten the string, because I did make it like really long for whatever reason. But yeah, it's a cute little top with this cream white color, and then has this like gray in it, and it's just really cute. Laced in the back. It's a cute little top. So yeah, that's this one. This next one is like my favorite because of the design that I added on it. It's probably like my most favorite. The only other top that has this like similar design will be in the part 2 video. So yeah, here is this like bright orange neon looking top, and right away you guys can see the detailing on the cup on both of them, and then also on the bottom of it, the beautiful detailing. These little holes, like, isn't that cute? Like, look at this, beautiful. And then, oops, in the back it also laces up like this. It's a little string, and it's just one of my favorites. I think it's because of the color, but also it's just the design is just so cute to me. Like, look at this. Imagine wearing this, you guys. It's just beautiful. And it doesn't have to be summer to wear none of these. Like, you guys can literally wear this in the winter and add a cardigan on top, or fall, whatever, and you can still look cute. So this next one is pretty different. I haven't made another one like this. It has the same shape, like cups. It's not really a cup, but like the bra area is the same shape as the last black bikini top that I showed you, and everything is connected. This one is not laced in the back, so you can't really adjust the back, but it definitely stretches. Like, it has a decent amount of stretch to it. And the cup area, or the bra area, is like kind of a size A to B. It's pretty small. And I will definitely have this available as a custom order for you guys. If you guys are bigger or smaller and you want, you know, this type of style. And I can adjust it for you guys if you wanted it to be laced in the back or anything like that. So yeah, that's this one. And then it's also actually slightly ribbed at the bottom. I don't know if y'all can tell. It's like slightly ribbed at the bottom. And yeah, that's this one. The next one is this wine colored red again, or burgundy, however it shows on camera. It's more like darker than what it shows on camera. So that's this one. It has this lacing detail in the top of it, in the front, and then in the back it has this little section on the lower part of your back that is also laced. And overall, it's just a cute top. And you can let the string in the front hang, the lace string in the front, you can let it hang like this, or you can tie it into a bow, and it's just a cute little top, you know. So yeah, that's this one. And we have three more to go through. So the next one is another tube top. It's this like camel color, and I really like this one because of the camel detailing, and I really like yarn like this. And it's just a little simple little tube top, and it is laced in the back so that you can adjust the sizing in the back, and the string is a decent length. So yeah, that's that. This is this one. We have another halter top here. This green like pastel type of color, super cute. This is one of my favorite halter tops that I've made, and it's just the most cutest thing ever. And my favorite part about it is the tassels that I added. So the tassels that go around your neck, or the string that goes around your neck, it has a tassel, and then also the lace in the back has a tassel at the end of it. So I really like that. And again, custom orders are available with this. The last one is like the most fun vacation style top. It is this cowrie bead, hopefully I'm saying that correctly, this cowrie bead bikini top. And right away y'all see this detailing. We have the shell design, the shell crochet stitch, and then connected we have the little beads. At the end string, it has the bead on it right here, and then also at the top, the one that ties around your neck has the beading, and it's just really cute. And then inside of it, I added this little fabric so that, you know, your little stuff don't show through, nipples don't show through, you know. And yeah, that's this. This top is really cute. Like, I'm gonna show you guys this one. It's cute little vacation top, right? So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not too good with like explaining details of things, so hopefully you guys get the gist or whatever. If you guys want to see a part 2 of this video, I'm literally staring at the next stack, which I probably might just film that today, so then you guys, when you see the part 2, I'm wearing the same outfit because I filmed it on the same day. If I'm not wearing the same outfit, I was too lazy and I did not film it on the same day. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys want to purchase any of these tops that are on the video, they are on my website. And before you purchase, if you want to DM me and ask me some questions, my Instagram is down below. And it's also on the screen, as well as my TikTok and my Twitter. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.